Hello everyone, in front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first, open new message or any other area where you can input some text and where you can see the keyboard. So this is the keyboard that we currently have. You can see it's English language. Then once you want to change it, tap on More, select Settings, select Settings, go to Languages, and choose the language that you want to apply. So here you've got the whole list. You can smoothly select the language in which you want to have your keyboard in. Choose the one that you want to apply. Here you've got the layout. Tap on confirmation mark, and now you can either stay with both languages or you can remove the previous one smoothly by unmarking the switcher, then go back. And as you can see, your keyboard language is already changed. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.